Sometimes iOS runs into issues like a black screen, getting stuck on the Apple logo, or your phone overheating. In most cases, a system repair is the way to go. Sure, you can try iTunes or Finder, but let's be honest, they're not that easy to use. Repairs can fail halfway, errors pop up, and for beginners, it's a bit of a headache. So today, I want to recommend a better tool for iOS 26 system repair, ReiBoot. ReiBoot is a powerful tool that helps you fix iOS system issues easily and safely. With standard repair, you can fix over 150 common iOS problems without losing any data. If your device is in worse shape, deep repair can bring it back to life, even when nothing else works. It also supports iOS upgrade and downgrade, so whether you want to remove iOS 26 or go back to a previous version, you can do it without iTunes or jailbreaking. On top of that, ReiBoot lets you enter or exit recovery mode in one click. Reset your device without a passcode. But here's what everyone wants to know: is it safe? I had the same concern before using it, but here's what I found. First, ReiBoot only uses Apple's official firmware for repairs, nothing sketchy. Second, as long as you use standard repair, your data stays untouched. No photo loss, no wiping your phone. Also, the software itself is encrypted, clean, no viruses, no ads, no hidden installs. I tested it on my iPhone 16 with iOS 26, and it worked great, super smooth. No crashes, no weird behavior. So yeah, I'd say it's totally safe and honestly way easier than iTunes. If you're interested, you can download ReiBoot for free from the link below. When a problem arises, ReiBoot will be your first line of support. If you're unsure which feature to use for a specific issue, just leave a comment or follow us for detailed guidance and support. At Tenorshare, we're here to make your iOS experience smoother and more enjoyable. Thank you for choosing ReiBoot, your trusted partner in iOS repair and management. See you next time.